Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off face lock in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you off? Today I will tell you, guys. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys, first of all, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. And now guys, let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, come on password and security. Click on face lock. Draw your pattern. Guys, click on face lock. Guys, delete face data. Okay, so now you can see face lock has offed. I will have to draw my pattern. So I think guys you have understood how to off face lock in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like me to subscribe my channel.